Hi, welcome to a calculator tutorial from Equator. My name is Ahmed Shamshiri. In this video, we are going to see how we can use this Casio FX 991570 and 991CW scientific calculator to do matrix calculation such as addition, subtraction, inverse of matrix, determinant, and many other operations with matrix. I have a full 3.5 hours video for this calculator that covers everything from beginning to end. The link to watch the video is below the video in the description, or you can click now to watch it. In order to be on the same screen, let's reset or initialize the calculator by pressing this button here and then go down once, twice. You will see the reset and then press OK. After that, go down once, twice, initialize all, OK, and then on yes also, OK, and after that press EXE. This is very important that we have to press EXE to exit from this screen. Now let's start working with matrix. This calculator can perform a matrix of size 4 by 4, and when you start working with matrix, we have to save it in the calculator before doing operation on them. For example, we can save this matrix in a matrix called matrix A. Let's go to the matrix mode, press home, you will see this screen, scroll down and until you see matrix, press OK. Now we are in matrix mode and press tool. You see it says none of these are now defined, and we can define 4 matrix A, B, C, and D. They can be saved, and then the operation can be performed after the matrix is saved. Now we have to select matrix A, and then the row and column are like this. So this is column and these are row. You count it from the left down, and to select that we can press OK, and row is 3, and then now I'm in column 3, and then OK. Now we have the space empty for us. Now for our matrix, press 7 EXE. This is EXE or equal, and then 4, 5. So I'm entering it 7 EXE. Press this OK, 4, and then 5. Now I'm gonna do 2, 3, 2, 3, and then 0, and then 8, 1, 9, 8, 1, 9. So I'm entering all these. The matrix have been saved. Now press OK here to exit, or we can press return, or we can press all clear, AC. The matrix have been saved. Now let's save this into matrix B. To do that, we have to press this tool. As you can see now, it shows 3 by 3. Let's select matrix B, and then the same way row 3, and then column 3, and then confirm. We have the spot here. At any step, press AC or clear to exit from the operation. Now let's save this into matrix B, -1, 5, 26, and I'm going down 3, 14, 9, 3, 1, 4, 9, and then 0, 4, 8, 0, 4, and 8. I've entered them and press EXE to exit. Now press tool, and as you can see, this is 3 by 3, 3 by 3, and then there is none. Now to view the matrix, we can press, so I'm pressing this button to exit, press this catalog, and then select matrix, and then you can see, if you want to see matrix A, just come to matrix A and you have it here. If I press equal, it will be displayed, but let's go back, and here we can multiply it by 2 as well. Just multiply by 2, and this is the result. The actual matrix has not changed. I can press back, delete it, and you see that that's the actual matrix. Now to edit a matrix, let me press AC all clear, press tools, and matrix A 3 by 3, and here you can see edit. If I press edit, we can go and change the value. For example, make 4 to 5, make it 5, and then press EXE. Now it has been saved and all clear. Now let's add matrix A to matrix B. For that, let's bring matrix A, catalog, matrix, matrix A, and then plus, catalog, matrix, matrix B. If I press equal, that is the matrix answer. Now it's in matrix answer. And then all clear. To see matrix answer, we press this catalog, matrix, and then go down. Matrix answer is there. Okay, you can bring it on the screen or you can see it. You can save this to into matrix D, for example. In this case, just select this and then store to matrix D. Okay, and this is now in matrix D. All clear. If I check this, you see matrix D has some value. Keep in mind that when you are adding matrix or subtracting, the dimension of the matrix must match. For example, this is 3 by 3, 3 by 3. If one is 2 by 3 or 3 by 4, it will not work. All clear. Now let's do matrix A, square of matrix A. So to do that, press catalog, matrix, and then A. After that, we can just press this square to square it very easily, and matrix have been squared. But I can go back and delete it, and we can do it. And second method is matrix A. You bring matrix A, and after that press catalog, matrix, and then go matrix calculation, and here matrix squared. It brings it. It's a little longer, but because other options are available there, we can do it. Now we can do matrix cubed. The same way, if I go back, delete, catalog, matrix, matrix calculation, cubed. And this way we can cube a matrix as well. And for each value, you can move the cursor back and forth and see the actual value here. If it's fraction, you can see it as well, which I'm going to show you. Now let's see how we can find inverse of a matrix. For inverse of a matrix, you have to do all this calculation and including the determinant of the matrix before we can find inverse of a matrix. Bring the matrix, catalog, matrix, matrix A. Now we can do here by shift and this button, it brings the inverse very easily. We can just press equal, and that is the inverse of a matrix. For each value, we can see it in here. If you want the decimal value, just press format, this button here, format, and select decimal. It will be converted to decimal. But we can do it other way, by other ways that bring the matrix, matrix A, and then go to catalog, this operation here, catalog, matrix, matrix calculation, and inverse of a matrix. This was long, but doable if you need it. Keep in mind that if the determinant of a matrix is 0, you cannot find the inverse of it. And let's see how we can find the determinant of a matrix. Catalog, matrix, matrix calculation, and here determinant, and it says DET, determinant, and bring the matrix, catalog, matrix, and matrix A, and press equal. You get the answer. And remember that determinant of a matrix is a number. Now let's see how we can do transposition or transposing a matrix. Press catalog, matrix, matrix calculations, and then go down until you see transposition, and then bring your matrix here, catalog, matrix, and then matrix A. Now matrix A have been transposed. All the row have been switched to column, column to row. Now you can generate identity matrix very easily if you need it, because in many applications you need to multiply or do some calculation with the identity matrix, catalog, and then matrix, matrix calculation, go down and you will see identity, and it will ask you for the dimension. Because identity matrix is squared, so you just need one value, either 2 by 2, 3 by 3, or 4 by 4. Let's put 4 and equal, and you see we have generated identity matrix of 4 by 4. Diagonal is all 1. Now if you want to get absolute value of a matrix, all clear. To get absolute value of a matrix, press catalog, go to numeric calc, this time not the matrix, numeric calc, and then absolute value, and then catalog matrix, and let's say matrix B, and press equal, and that is the absolute value. If there was any negative, it has been converted to positive. Now matrix answer, we can use matrix A plus matrix answer. This is matrix answer. So bring matrix A plus catalog matrix, and then go down until you see matrix answer. This is how you do some calculation with matrix answer. Let's turn it on. Button. That's for the first time I turned it on. So what can you do with this calculator? With this calculator, you can do all basic calculation. So you can do statistical calculation, you can do distribution, we can do polynomials such as quadratic, cubic, and quartic, up to degree 4 calculation, simultaneous